Hello, this video will give you a brief tour of the SBCC Luria Library website. You can find the website at sbcc.edu/library. On it, you'll find search tools like OneSearch and library databases for finding library resources, such as books, articles, and more. You'll find ways to get help from librarians through online chat, appointments, and email. Links to research guides and tutorials for do-it-yourself help, ways to manage your library account to view items you have saved or renew items you have borrowed, and much more. At the top of the library website, you'll notice the Luria Library Plus menu, which gives you direct links to some of these tools. Below the image at the top, you'll find today's hours, as well as a link for more hours, followed by a section with announcements. Below the announcements, you'll find the OneSearch search box. OneSearch is the primary search tool which allows you to search for physical items from the library, as well as for online books and articles from library databases. Library databases are subscription websites purchased by the library to provide you with access to books, articles, videos, and other information sources that you might not be able to find by using an internet search engine such as Google. The OneSearch Help Guide provides videos and other instructional materials for using OneSearch. Below the OneSearch search box, you'll find ways to contact librarians and library staff for help. Use the online chat to get immediate help from a librarian during open hours. Make an appointment to meet with a librarian on Zoom. You can use the library@sbcc.edu email to contact a librarian and the circulation@sbcc.edu email to contact circulation staff if you have questions about checked out materials or textbooks. The quick links section also includes a link to get further help, as well as links for logging into your library account, getting information about textbooks and reserves. The A to Z databases links to a full list of all of the library's databases, arranged alphabetically and by subject. Some databases focus on a specific subject area, such as communication or history or psychology, while others focus on a specific type of resources, such as ebooks. If you're not sure which database is the best one to use for your research, ask a librarian to recommend the best database for you. The Help at Your Fingertips section provides links for do-it-yourself help. Research guides provide tips, tutorials, and links to resources for research on specific subjects and for specific courses and assignments. If your professor asks you to use the research guide for your course, you would find it here alphabetically with the course followed by the instructor's name. Citation guides include detailed guidelines for creating citations in MLA, APA, and other citation styles. And the tutorials guide links to a selection of the library's videos and interactive tutorials on doing research, using sources effectively and appropriately, and thinking critically about information. Ask a librarian to suggest the best tutorials for your research. Finally, you can see the FAQ or need more for additional information about the library. And remember, we're always here to help.